Hey everyone, we're here with Joshi, and Joshi's actually an expert on CloudVolumes, because CloudVolumes is one of the things that we announced today. So can you tell us a little bit about what CloudVolumes is?
Sure, Jeremy. So what CloudVolumes is it's instant provisioning of apps for end users with support for both VDI and RDSH. So that means that when the user logs into the desktop, the apps are instantly provisioned to them. It's called just-in-time provisioning, as we said in the keynote.
So users really, once they need the application, they click and they immediately have it. They don't have to wait for an app to download or anything else. It's instant.
Yeah, it's really instant. The users don't have to wait for it to stream or for the file to copy. It's a matter of seconds really for the apps to show up on their desktop.
It sounds a little bit like magic, but we're here at a demo booth, so can you show us?
Yeah, absolutely. Let's just jump right in the demo. So I'm logged into a VDI desktop over here. This is a Horizon 6 environment, and I'm logged in as AppWall User 1. And what I have on the left side here is the CloudVolumes Manager, which is really the admin portion of this one. So this is where you'll go in to create your apps and to provision it to users and actually assign it to users. So we already have a few app stacks provisioned. We have Adobe Flash, we have Firefox, we have a random set of 66 applications, and we have Office 2010. So let's push Office 2010 to this machine. So the way you do that is you select Office 2010 as the app stack and you hit assign. So now we have an option of assigning it to either a user, a machine for kiosk type situations, or for an AD group. Because I'm logged in as this user, let me just assign it to this user.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Sure. So I'll search for this user here. It'll show up in a second here. So as you can see, the user is up here. So I'll select that user and hit assign. So now you have two options. You can either attach the app stacks immediately or in the next login or reboot. Typically you'd assign it on the next login or reboot because you don't want to disturb the user if they're already logged into their desktops.
Exactly, because it may be alphabetically ordered and all of a sudden all the apps shift.
Show up, and they might already be in an app and it might just disturb them from what they're doing. So for the purpose of this demo though, just because it makes for a better demo, I'll attach the app stacks immediately. So I'll choose this option, hit assign, and I'll go back to this desktop, and within a few seconds here, you should see Office 2010 pop up.
Oh, wow, because I mean, normally when I install Office 2010, it takes me at least half an hour, and that's quick.
Yep, so as you see, in a matter of seconds, we've delivered Office. Let's just launch Word to make sure I'm not lying and the app actually exists. So
and it's the full stack as well, with Publisher and everything.
It's the full stack. So as you can see, I can do some changes. I can do some changes to Word here. And in fact, I can take you to C drive, program files, and as you can see, it's as if the app is natively installed. In fact, if I go to Control Panel, let me just launch programs, programs and features. You actually see the user will actually see Office installed. So as far as the end user goes, it's transparent to them. But they don't see that, they don't see any difference when they log in, their apps are there.
And do they need any type of agent installed in this desktop OS?
Yes, so you do need the CloudVolumes agent installed on the machine, but you can make it part of the base image, so that way all your users get it as part of the base image.
Perfect, and it doesn't need updating too often, it's just a basic communication agent.
It's just the basic communication. The CloudVolumes manager talks to the agent to make sure it can deliver your apps.
Great, so if people want to start using this, can they already download a demo or a beta? How can they get sort of their hands on this?
So currently it's in beta. So if they're already a VMware customer, I'd ask them to reach out to their VMware rep, because I think it's a control beta, and the VMware rep is the best person to talk to as far as getting access to the CloudVolumes code.
So it's part of the beta now, but if customers want to buy it, will it be part of the Horizon suite or something like that?
Yeah, it'll be part of the Horizon suite, and for more information, you can check out the VMware website where it lists which suite it's part of and all that stuff.
Perfect. So for all you viewers out there, if you're here at the VMworld event, please just come to the booth. You can play with the demo, you can ask any questions you have, and otherwise go to your VMware rep, ask to be part of the beta, or just go to the website and find out more about this.